We'll guide you through how to link Printify to Shopify, ensuring a seamless integration between these two powerful platforms. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Shopify admin panel on your desktop. You'll want to go to the Apps section in the left-hand menu. Click on Apps and then select Recommended Apps, or use the search bar to find Printify. Once you've located Printify, click Add App to begin the installation process. You'll be prompted to log in with your Printify account or create a new one if you haven't already. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize Printify to connect with your Shopify store. This will establish a connection between the two platforms. After the authorization is complete, you'll be redirected back to your Shopify dashboard where you can begin adding products from Printify. Head over to the Printify catalog and choose the products you want to sell. Customize them with your designs and ensure all product details like pricing and descriptions are set to your liking. Once you've done this, simply click Publish to add these products to your Shopify store. It's a good idea to review the products on your Shopify store to make sure everything looks perfect before you start promoting them. This integration allows you to manage your products and orders efficiently from one place, streamlining your e-commerce operations. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.